Wow, what a game! Yeah, what a game! All right. I mean, well, the final Jeopardy is ain't hit yet. You know, I just felt like coming on. I mean, that was a great game. You know, Luigi finished this round with a runaway. Okay, yes, indeed. You know, let's see. Will he win this third game? I guarantee he will. I bet you he will. You know, will he be the first streak of season 39? We'll see. I won't be surprised if he would be. Okay. All right. So yeah. I mean this first episode of the season 39 of Jeopardy is really rolling. Okay. I wonder if y'all Jeopardy fans is enjoying it right now. I wonder if y'all are. I hope y'all are. Okay, because it's very exciting on the first day. Okay. All right. So up next we're gonna watch Wheel of Fortune. Okay. I hope y'all gonna enjoy Wheel of Fortune on the first episode of the 40th season. Okay. All right. Up next, I'm about to watch. Well, we're almost in Final Jeopardy. So, well, as a matter of fact, let me just watch it while I'm talking to y'all. Okay. Mm-hmm. I normally don't come early before Final Jeopardy. Okay, so we gonna see will Luigi get the correct response or will he get it wrong? Okay, for the Final Jeopardy clue. Okay. Mm-hmm. So the first champion of season 39. Okay, wrapped up from last season as far as that, you know. Okay, so I want to tell y'all something. Okay, well, let me tell y'all this. I mean, we haven't had a Jeopardy champion that win more games from the last episode of the season finale since God knows when, you know. So let's see how this gonna go. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yep. So if all that, Luigi will be qualified for the next tournament of champions if he win about three more games. You know, okay, three more games or two. Well, we'll see. Okay, while I'm talking to y'all, all right, I'm about to light it up. If y'all can hear it.
This bell was named Marie. Alone
This
in
bell
the
was
southern
named
tower
Marie.
with her sister Jacqueline, a bell of lesser size, says this novel. 30 seconds. Good luck.
All right, I'm gonna read it. 19th century novels. This bell was named Marie, alone in the southern tower with her sister Jacqueline. A bell of lesser size, says this novel. Okay. All right. While they writing down their responses, you know, will Luigi get it right or will he get it wrong? But he still won anyway. All right. Catherine starts first.
Catherine May. Which novel?
Catherine May.
What is Don Quixote? No, I'm
Don
afraid that's
Quixote.
correct. And
She got that wrong.
you stand pat at $1,400. Tim Faulkner.
All right, let's go to Tim.
Until the end. His response was, "What is
The Hunchback of Notre Dame?"
You got it done just in time. Yes, that is correct.
Yeah, that's correct. The Hunchback of Notre Dame.
What will that do to your score? You had just $200.
All right, wager 200.
Good for second place today.
Well, he gonna finish in second place.
Incredibly erratic. First of all, was he correct?
He also got the Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Very big payout today. You wagered
4,000. He wagered
taking you to
42,400. 2 day total of 65,801. Okay. Yep, and the season just getting started, like he said. Okay. All right. I must say, y'all. I mean, this gonna probably be a fun season of Jeopardy. So Jeopardy fans, look out! It's gonna be a fun season. All right. So tomorrow, April Marquez, Justin Tarvon. He gonna face off tomorrow. Okay. All right. So anyway, it's the beginning of the season. All right. So here we go. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed this first episode of Jeopardy of the 39th season. Up next, Wheel of Fortune.